Hello there. Welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live on the Gist today. Nigerian activist and Instagram influencer Justadetoun calls out investigative journalist Kemi Olounloyo after a comment on the Dowen College case. Let's check out the story.
Good morning, everybody. So this is a very, very sensitive period for every one of us. We're trying as much as possible to bury our pains. We're trying as much as possible to put a wake-up call to every mother out there. A lot of mothers are feeling really failed now with the ongoing situations, around the country. But I tell God, Beguna, I know they cause trouble as soon as see me so. I get focus. And the only people where I feel cause trouble, where I know they bend with, na government. But I'm using this opportunity to inform the Inspector General of Police, Commissioner of Police, Area Commander for Aja, United USA, Immigration for USA, what do they call them? Embassy for USA, Canada. Any one of una, when no say una still need Kemi Olounloyo. I beg. I have unfollowed the stupid lady on social media ever since Tiwa Savage issue happened. I mean, I don't talk. I don't talk because I don't chase clout and I pay attention to what I'm doing. But I tell God, beg you. If you sabi Kemi Olounloyo, Kemi, I go find you come house. I go beat you boot black. Wallahi, if Commissioner of Police no station people for your domot, you see, the reason why I've been keeping quiet all this while, the reason why I've been keeping quiet is because of that your boy that has music career that you are trying to make a life for. But it's like nothing matters to you. Even the life of that your son doesn't mean anything to you. Because ordinarily, as they no flush your pregnancy, I don't know. That jail where you go that time, it be like say, then puts you there where they blow fan for you. Kemi Olounloyo, let this be the last time in your life you call my name. Let this be the last. You know the last time you spoke to me, I told you that never in your life. Well, sorry, baby, Michelle, why? Me, not be everything I carry on social media. If you get spiritual problem with me, come face me. One lie to ba bolo me, ko pe me born bastard. Kemi Olounloyo, to ba burn your want me, to ba try me. Remove that my name from your mouth. I'm not people you used to create content. That was what I told you during Tiwa Savage. Don't let me spill you on this social media. You know you tried it with me during Shawore. You were lying against me. I forgave you. Sherry, in this life, let's be good and let's be sincere because you never know where you're going to meet yourself. This stupid girl never knew she would come across me in her life. When she was using me to chase content, you thought that Shawore would become president and Shawore will give you Minister of Information. I'll be Minister of Communication. Oh, ni Shorire. Kemi Olounloyo, they warn you. If you mistakenly allow me lose 1 hour sleep on top of your night by 1 midnight, I swear, you know Kuguye family won't carry you. Olounloyo family go gather because of you. Sorry, mo shekere. Ma dummy wo. Oh, feshoku. Start writing your petition. I go there. I no get time. I don't help you call CP Odumosu. I don't help you call area commander. Make una deploy people go Kemi house. So that one where I die they talk. I don't never mean a matter. Me, fuck on nanimati be ekbo. Oh, wallahi. Oh, le bonu meneri. What kind of disrespect is this? I never condescended so low to bring myself to you. I've never asked you to help me for anything on my social media. Do I tell you that I need you to, I want to blow? Did I ever tell you that I need somebody that will give me content? Kemi Olounloyo, me, I not get time. All this one whether they try with you, I not get time. Call CP Odumosu, call area G, call area F, call inspector. Begin to write your petition down, oh. They write your petition down, oh. Because if you try me, if you mess with me, oh la. You think say my name Naton? I didn't want to pay attention to you before because I know that you are sick. And to wa lare, o koja ètò lè wòkúta yìí máa fi parẹ́ tọ́pọ̀lọ́ ẹ̀ ò bá rú ẹsẹ̀ á máa kán olóòbùkún ààrẹ níjọ́ pati kìíní ìta lọ́jọ́ kò tí tó ń sunkún tó wọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tó tún padà wá jímọ̀ tínà. I never get your time. You know, say your storyline they like 7 pages for my hands. But let me tell you something. Come out. whether it's on Facebook or Twitter, don't mention my name again. Let me do whatever I want to do. Do your own, I do my own. Not take me create content, Kemi Olounloyo. I beg all of you, I don't like trouble. As you see me so, I be easy going person. If you mistakenly light matches near me, I go make sure say you burn you down. So please help me one Kemi Olounloyo. Kemi Olounloyo. Kemi Olounloyo. Ibi tó fẹ́ ṣeré dé yẹn ọ̀nà ògbàbẹ̀ o. Sori ibi tó fẹ́ ṣeré dé yẹn ọ̀nà ògbàbẹ̀ o. You people should stop telling me to ignore her. Now this ignorance they make and they talk blah 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 blah. Your mouth they run. Oh, I don't tell. You see all those people where withdraw your license, where deport you, where you not even go apply for emergency visa. Where you they take and they form levels for people. I'm Dr. Kemi, koni dafun doctor enu ashiri. Abere wo lo le gunyan. You be begging people to be calling you auntie, be begging people to be calling you doctor. Stupid woman like you. You are ashamed of womanhood. We are talking about sensitive matter. You are talking that Sly wanted to join court. You are indicting the school. So you are proving to us that there was cultism in that school. You are telling me that Sly drank brake oil. How did Sly get brake oil? So somebody will go and open a car. Is it easy to pour brake oil from a car? So Gateman was looking until Sly poured brake oil. Gateman was looking until Sly carry brake oil inside house. House master was looking. Timba mistakenly daily. I shall not dress in here while I me. One or more. Me first soroton. Come out of boya. Shall not dress in here while I me. Oh, they're till kokuro. Timba mistakenly there no lie. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọlọ́pàá tó máa fún ẹ láti ẹni lọ. Wàlẹ́ orí bẹ́ẹ̀dì tó jókòó sí ló ti máa rí mi láì kanlẹ̀kùn lé ẹ. Ó fẹ́ dán wèrè wò. I just they respect myself. They respect my pedigree. But it be like say you won't make I come down to your level. And me, as you see me so, no level with I no sabi day. As I be go up, as I be come down. Anywhere where you put me, I they float where I know they sink. I go so deal with you. If you don't go and cop that your mouth, I will so deal with you. Kemi Olounloyo. You see all those letters where they write up and down, you they tag. No worry, I go help you tag them. Now me, go help you tag them. I don't have your time. This early Monday morning. Oh, Nishelowo, you are the poorest investigative journalist I've ever seen. Oba Osilowo eri. Àfi kó bá sórí social media kó máa lọ ṣe fundraising kó ń wá owó. Oníṣẹ́ obìnrin ni ẹ́. Poor, stupid, stinking, dirty looking objects. Ha. Kemi. I want to take 32. Báwo mo ti ẹ ṣe kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ gbaná létí ẹ kó kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ pé mo mean serious business náà. Ṣé ọkọ yẹn kẹsẹ̀ máa ro ẹni? Àbí kó rúkọ máa fún ẹ kó má rí bí gbà. Be warned though. Be warned. Thank you everybody. Just help me tag her because me mo ti unfollow lo bukware. Mo ti unfollow lórí burúkú. I don't follow unnecessary objects. Objectless objects, meaningless objects. I don't follow her. But Kemi Olounloyo, be warned. This will be the first and the last time me on by individual aja. And you see I don't respond to a lot of personal issues because I just keep quiet. But that fame where you define, I'm not sure say you get paid for Instagram again. I will so deal with you. I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you what I will do. Threat is just show me pé Igbo ni ya tèmi. Yorùbá de mama san pé ma gba etí ẹ ton ma kadi mẹ́yìn. Bí mo ṣe sọ fún ẹ pé mo fẹ́ ju ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ Kemi mo ti tó bá ń wo ẹ̀yìn sí o ti ń rí ọwọ́ mi. Tó bá ń wo ẹ̀yìn sí o ti ń rí ọwọ́ mi. Àwọn tó ma gba etí ẹ níbi tó ti ń sùn tó ti ń wẹ̀. Wo mo ti ma ránṣẹ́ sí wọn sìn. Kò jẹ́ kó rí ẹ pé o. Mi ò pẹ̀lú àwọn tó ma fi ma chase clout o. Èmi ò sínú sàwáwù àwọn tó máa fi máa gbé ṣeré o. Dey your lane, I dey my lane o. Olounloyo. Bàbá dẹ̀ máa family member tó sì lè dúró fún ẹ tètè pé wọ́n pò ó ti lọ wá wàhálà o.